Saturday, September 4th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Flower and plant work today. A lot of this stuff is going to be changed. Mulch bed is unacceptable. Too much stuff in the pots, except the big ones. They're doing great. This is what you want to see. They can handle all the annuals. But the smaller ones, I have to clear this up. Too much clutter. I want the chrysanthemums to have their own space. And I'm changing the pots. You see 2 different colors. I bought 4 that are the same color, same size. Again, unacceptable. Petunias, they just need to come up. I'm done with them. Tired of looking at them. Gone. Told you I'm taking these out. Now these did well. And let me tell you why. You remember when I planted? I added the Miracle Grow to that one. But over here, I think I forgot to put the Miracle Grow in. I was even wondering if I did. So now you see the difference. The power of that Miracle Grow works wonders for your plants and flowers. Can't start without my bucket, shovel, and trowels. You know, if you have large plants in your mulch bed, gardens, or lawns, I recommend you get support for them. Really helps. I see some green trying to come up. That's a good sign. Starting to understand why I always got root rot in this plant. It was too easy to dig up. I thought the roots should be further down in the soil. Same with this one. I can remember when the roots came up to the surface and I just buried them with soil. Might have been a mistake. Now I know it wasn't an issue of overwatering. At least that's what I think. I believe that since the roots never really penetrated the soil, meaning I didn't dig deep enough when I planted this thing, that's how the root rot came year after year. I'll do the same with the petunias. They were great, but it's time for them to go. You know, folks, when you go to the big box stores and you see those sales, $3.50 or $2.50 for 6 annuals, just buy that pack and use 1 for each hole you have. You don't need more than that. Once you use something like Miracle Grow, they get huge. All right, that's done. Got those petunias out. Got the white ones out. Moving right along. Red salvias, you're up. Here's a great example of how powerful Miracle Grow is. Look how big it got. In its defense, this one didn't look good when I initially planted, and no Miracle Grow. Strike 1, strike 2 for it. I'll clip the purple salvias now. These things are getting big, out of control. But when you do this, the roots send up energy and they grow. I love the process. One of my least favorite parts, time to clean up. That's done. Looks good. Let's see what we got. Orange mums, white mums. Okay. Nice. Polka dots. Let's try them out. Always have a bucket on standby just in case you got to move some soil around. Lilies are okay. We're good to go. Instead of using Miracle Grow potting soil, I thought I'd give this brand a try. Bought it from Menards, along with some other stuff, including this topsoil on the right. A couple handfuls to start it off will do. Can't forget my cheat code. I think I'll start calling this Blue Magic. Do yourself a favor. Get a cultivator. You can even use your hands. Loosen up the roots like this. Okay, they're in the ground. We'll keep a close eye on them. Check the progress. Like the color. So what we'll do is just plant the rest. Now, this is what I'm talking about. And you know what? Management was never thrilled about me taking out the white plants, but the white moms are a great replacement. Wonderful. I'm removing the annuals from the pots because I went to Aldi and saw how big the chrysanthemums get. Figured they needed their own space. You might want to say I settled for these pots. I got them from Lowe's. You know, around this time things are hard to come by. Keep that in mind. Do your shopping in March or April. And when you get them, drill a couple holes at the bottom so that the water has somewhere to go. I simply get some of the potting mix or potting soil. Again, put some at the base of the pot. Sprinkle some blue magic inside. There's nothing to it. And you'll end up having something like this. Oh yeah, looks good. One final step. Let's add some mulch. Liven it up a bit over here. I didn't have enough, so I ran to the store and bought a couple bags. As a reminder, keep some topsoil and mulch on standby, just in case. Can't forget the most important part. Make sure you give your plants and flowers a thorough rinse. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.